Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. So Brazilian bass is evolving right now. Instead of the old sound with a typical bass, it's evolving into a more melodic kind of sound. So instead of a track like this, to more tracks like these. So in today's video, we're gonna make a drop like new Brazilian bass style, like Alok did. So let's straight dive into it. So first we need to make a melodic tag melody like these tracks. So let's start off with a preset from the Lit Sounds pack. Now let's dive into the melody. We're working in C minor. It's just a simple riff. Duplicate it and make some variations. Now let's make variations. Just like this. Now let's mix it. So by the way, all the drums, presets and vocals are coming from the pack Lit Sounds Stream 2. It's a new pack in the style of slap house and Brazilian bass. It's all you need to make this kind of music. It includes presets, 5 royalty-free full vocals and drum sounds. If you want to check it out, make sure to check the link down below. So now let's continue with a vocal from the pack. We'll be using this one. Fit it to the tempo. Sounding like this.
I keep searching for new heights.
So now let's add chords under the vocal. We'll be using this preset. Starting on a C.
I keep searching for new heights. I keep searching for new heights. I can see myself in the sky.
Sounding like this.
I keep searching for new heights. I can see myself in the sky.
So for the build, let's start off with automating the lead sound. We'll be automating the washout macro from the preset. Now let's look for a build-up loop. This one. Besides that, we'll be automating a low cut on the master as well. And then a smile. All together sounding like this.
Mother said you just work hard, achieve the goals that you create. You might fall onto the ground, but never lose the faith. We rise and fall.
So first, let's choose a kick from the pack. Sounding like this.
To the ground, but never lose the faith. We rise and fall.
I just made a simple kick loop, so now let's add a clap sound. For the second part, we'll be using a drum loop. Sounding like this. So let's start off with this bass preset. And start with the notes based on the break chords. That will be the rhythm. Now let's make the chords. And add a little variation. Now let's fill it up some more with other bass sounds. This one will be at the start. And another one. Place it right here. Now mix it. Besides that, I added a lead sound to the second part of this drop and this effect. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like to see more and the subscribe button. And here's the final result.
Keep searching for new heights. I can see myself in the sky. Father told me I'm a star, can never be too late. Go and believe in yourself, each stepping stone you take. Mother said you just work hard, achieve the goals that you create.